Hi there, I'm Wes, and this is the story of how my drone became my best friend. It all started on a pretty lonely day in my Minecraft world.
I wish we could go on a real adventure, Dee. Maybe then I'd make some friends.
That was my life back then. Wake up, eat some pixelated bread, practice flying D. Rinse and repeat. I didn't even see it coming, but D always had my back.
Huh? What is it, Dee? Whoa, thanks, buddy. That was close.
But D was always there for me, even when things got dangerous.
The map to the Ender Dragon's egg. Imagine the power it could give us.
And all the friends we'd make. Everyone would want to join our server.
Did you hear that? A magical egg that grants power and friendship? You're right. With you by my side, we can handle anything. Let's do this.
And just like that, our adventure began. Little did I know how much it would change everything.
Thanks, Dee. I'd be lost without your crafting tips. You really know your stuff.
Hey, they're going after the egg too. After them.
And just like that, our quest turned into a race. But Dee and I, we were unstoppable. Look, Dee, iron ore. And, is that gold? We hit the jackpot. This'll really help us on our quest. Oh no, the poor thing. We have to help it, Dee. Good idea. I'll craft some bandages and a splint. That moment with the ocelot? It taught me something important about kindness. It wasn't just about winning anymore. But we didn't have time to dwell on it. We had an egg to find, and a world to save. Whoa! How are we gonna cross this? Just as we were about to cross, the craziest thing happened. It was like the whole world turned upside down in an instant. Ah, the bridge! It's falling apart.
We're going to fall.
Dee, you saved us! You're amazing!
Thanks. I guess your drone isn't so bad after all. That was some quick thinking.
And just like that, things started to change. We'd gone from rivals to, well, I wasn't sure what. But little did I know, our biggest challenges were still ahead, and we'd need to work together to face them. Things were getting intense. The egg was close, but so were the bad guys. And I don't just mean the mobs.
Hey kid, we should team up, but that drone, it's slowing us down.
No way! Dee stays with me! Dee, help! Dee, where are you? No, Dee. What's the point of some stupid egg if I don't have my best friend? That's when I realized something. Dee had taught me more than I knew. Maybe I could fix this. Okay, Dee, let's see if I learned anything from you. Please work, please. Dee, you're back! In that moment, I understood. True friendship isn't about magical eggs. It's about the bond you share, through thick and thin. Come on, buddy, we've got an egg to find. Together. Okay, so, this is it, the big finale. Me and Dee were about to face our toughest challenge yet, but you know what? We were ready. That's a lot of hit points, Dee, but we've got this, right? You said it, buddy. Let's do this. Watch out, Dee. Enderman at 3 o'clock.
Wait, we're here to help.
Wow, that's actually pretty deep for a Minecraft game. Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we share the egg's power? You know, like a server where everyone's OP?
I like the way you think, kid.
And just like that, everything changed. But not in the way we expected. And that's how my drone became my best friend. And helped me make a whole bunch more. Pretty cool for a Minecraft story, huh? Oh, And if you're wondering what happened to the Ender Dragon, let's just say it's now the star of our server's roller coaster. Who knew dragons liked loop-de-loops?